Hello, welcome back to Inspire Art Linkings, where creativity finds its voice. Today, we will guide you through the delicate process of capturing emotion on paper as we draw a sitting sad girl with a hidden face. Start by sketching the basic outline of her figure, sitting with shoulders slumped, conveying a sense of weight upon her. Remember, her posture tells a story, so pay attention to the curves of her spine and the position of her arm. Next, add details to evoke her sadness. Perhaps her head is resting in her hands, or her eyes are downcast, avoiding the world around her. Every stroke should speak to the depth of her emotions. Now focus on her clothing and surrounding. Choose muted colors to reflect her mood and add subtle texture to conveying a sense of realism. Remember, every element of the drawing contributes to the narrative. Finally, add the finishing touches by emphasizing the hidden face. Use shadow and light to obscure her features, leaving the viewer to wonder about the thoughts behind her sorrow. And there you have it, a poignant portrayal of a sitting sad girl with a hidden face. Remember, art has the power to capture the essence of human experience, so let your imagination run free. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.